Alright guys, so just put my water here. So as the analysis we did last week, oh no, yesterday that was Sunday, today is Monday, and two played out. By the rest I haven't checked, but you remember I set my limit. So when I came here, it's I think it's 12:45, and it's 12:45, and in my local time it's 12:45, and yeah, so yeah, I don't know, like I don't know, like yeah. So two price got triggered to two a lot, and the other two price did not get to it. So let's see which one played out. So let's go to yeah. As predicted, price went in my direction as predicted. So if I was to be in this trade here, for me, I would have used this sniper trade. Like I would have entered here, but I would have entered here. I don't care. Like I would have entered here. My stop loss would just be above, just like the way I did GBP JPY. No, GBP USD. That's the way I did GBP USD. I would have entered right here, and let me just delete this. So yeah, I would have entered right here, right here. This would have been my zone. Let me just check. All right, so yeah, this would have been my zone, and I would have entered right here, but I wasn't on the trade, so I didn't catch the move. Yeah, so this will be a missed trade. This will be a missed trade, and also I told you I'll be looking for a confirmation entry. Price hasn't dished out my confirmation entry yet, so also this will be a missed trade. If once I don't see a confirmation trade, so let's say on the 5 minute time frame, price just created a change of character on the internal change of character, and this, so I would have missed this trade big time. For my normal SMC strategy, you get it. I would have missed this trade. I would have I'll wait for price to come to the zone, this 15-minute supply zone. I'll wait for price to come to this 15-minute supply zone, and I'll just ride with the trade from there. I'll just target where this what I'll be at. I was expecting, but yeah, the price did not give what I was expecting, so there's a missed trade. So we move to the next trade. If price break the my low, let's see, let me see something. If price finally break this low, yeah, meaning price will just come and test this. So there are more opportunities. This is a new break of structure. So if price, I'll just counter our sniper trading this one. So I'll just scalp this trade. So I'll wait for price. I'm gonna go to the 1 hour time frame. Let me show you what I'm talking about. So this is what I'm talking about. So this was the trade. So I'll wait for price to just break this low, swing low. Once price break this swing low, price will definitely retrace up this way. Price will just go up like this, then right down. So I'm just going to leave this. If price comes there, yeah. Let me just set an alert again. We are in the New York section. So let's go to USD JPY. Price triggered this in no. Price is finally in my area area, and then for our supply zone, let me just wait. I don't know, my network is just running slow. My network is running slow, so let's see how it goes. Alright, so this was what I was anticipating on. This was what I was anticipating on. I was expecting price to trade to this demand zone and right to this other block or supply zone, but price did not. So I delete this. I delete everything, and now we have a new break of structure. So let's see. This is a break and close. Let me go to the 4-hour time frame to see if my analysis is still valid. Looks like it's still valid. No, yeah, it's still valid because it's a weak rejection. As you can see, it's just a weak rejection on the 4-hour time frame to sweep the liquidity above. So yeah, there is opportunity, but if there's no opportunity, I'm not going to stress myself. I'll just bring it here. There are more opportunities though on the 1-hour time frame. It's a break and close. So yeah, so I'm still looking for the same setup to the zone. If the buy opportunity, like if price is still buying, price will definitely react and give a confirmation on this zone. But let's go to the 15-minute time frame to get a counter trading opportunity. Alright, so this was the last. This was my last internal break of structure. So I'm waiting for price to just create a change of character. This is already an inducement, so I'll expect price to come up to trade, then we right below with it. So right now I just don't know, like I'm still looking. So as and GBP USD also, price didn't come to my entry zone but went in my direction. So imagine the trade, the position I was in on Friday. Imagine I was still holding that position, like I would have catch a big move. But yeah, it is what it is. I don't control the market. I just followed my rules, and yeah. So this is invalid. I'll go ahead and delete that on my MT5. Go ahead and delete that on my MT5. Delete it. And I have a position running on gold. I'm just going to show you what I saw and why I took the trade. And my balance is up, as you can see. Whilst we draw down, we come up, we draw down, come up, we draw down, we come up. So yeah, it is what it is. So this was a trade I took last night at, I think, midnight. Yeah, 12:49. I took this trade 12:49. Price finally went down. I took this trade around. I'll show you on my PC. I still have the setup there. I've seen another scalping entry and everything, but I'm not going to take this. I just want to analyze why this thing didn't work. Alright, so I'll take a picture of this to journal my trade. Alright, so we look for a new trading opportunity. Once this is invalid, we delete. We still have yeah, there's now a new range, 2 recent break of structure. Alright, there is still an unmitigated zone. I'm not going to rush or do anything. There is still an unmitigated zone above. Well, let me do that on the 1 hour time frame so you can see what I'm talking about. So I marked the extreme because the gap hasn't fully been tapped. You can see on the 1 hour time frame. All the zone hasn't been mitigated. This one hasn't been mitigated. So 1 hour block. This will be my inducement. This one will be my inducement, and yeah, I'll be looking. This is my swing high, and this is my swing low. So I'll be waiting for price to just go up and tap into it and we trade with it. So yeah, it looks like yeah. So let's go to the next trade. That's Euro USD. Alright, so price didn't come to my zone, but just right down. So as predicted, my prediction went. Price went in my predicted way, or price went in my direction, but didn't come in close or anywhere. So yeah. Yeah. So it looks like price is close to my 4 hour demand zone. So there's no trading opportunity. So I just let this trade be. I'm not reeling or I'm not in a haste to analyze the market or this pair. I just let it be. And this also, as predicted, price is still in my zone. So right now we are still bullish. Price didn't come back. We are still bullish. Alright. Price is in my extreme. So I'll still wait for the change of character. If price doesn't give me a change of character, I haven't this noise set here. A change of character and a break of strength. So right now I'm just waiting for entry confirmation. No entry confirmation, we trade. Simple as that. Don't forget that. On Euro AUD chef, price never came to my zone, and I understand it. I understand why price didn't come to my zone, because price already got to the 50% of this range of, you get it, and it's respected it. So that is invalid. Let's look for the new trading opportunity. This is a break of structure. Break of structure. Let this one be here. So this is my extreme order block. The extreme order block. You get it. So this is my new trading setup. This is my new swing low. And this is my new swing high. Oh. Alright. So this is my new swing low and this is my new swing high. So I'll be waiting for that interest confirmation. Yeah. Let me just delete this alarms. And let's go to today I don't feel like trading. But I'm already in a trade. So price gold disrespected my 4 hour demand zone, but we are still in the range though. There is the low. Price gold is respecting the sun. Price gold hasn't break or create this one yet. So all right, looks like I'm out of the trade. Gold has just hit my stop loss on the trade I was in. So this was what I took the trade. This was where's my analysis? All right. Yesterday's trade, I took it on a 1 minute time frame. I was scalping it. Yes, really, yeah. So I was scalping this trade, and first trade, the price hit my stop loss. That was on the first trade. Price hit my stop loss, as you can see here. And the second trade, it tapped me in. It tapped me in and went to my full take profit. Just went to my full take profit. But I didn't take a full take profit. I closed at this area. I closed here. So yeah. And this new trade here, I took it on the 3 minute time frame. Alright, so finally price hits my stop loss on this and respecting the zone rather. Alright, so price hits my stop loss and respect the zone rather. So this was a break of structure. Let me stack another position. Alright, so price is my stop loss and my new entry level is here. My stop loss is just above the zone. Once price hits my stop loss, I'm out of this trade. I'm just targeting this low. My take profit will be at this low. So everything's being set up. So yeah. So the first trade I took hit my stop loss because this was my position. This was my trade. I entered right here. And my stop loss was just above this place. And as you can see, price hits my stop loss. I wasn't with the trade though. I was just doing something. My take profit was below here. But price gave me 90 pips. Price gave me 90 pips, but I wasn't with my trade. So yeah, looks like this one is also going to be stopped out, but let's see how it goes. This was my trade analysis on this new one. Once price hits my stop loss on this. Alright, so this is my trade. The trade for today. Stop loss hit, first trade, and yeah. Let me just journal it. Alright, journal save, and yeah. Let's see how it goes. I don't know, should we scalp this? Like live trading scalping on this. So let's see how gold gives it. Alright, so let's live trade. We are live trading right now. We are running in $2 profit. Let's see how it goes. when price get to this zone, or when price finally break this low, I move my stop loss to break even. So we are targeting 1:7, and how many? 100 pips? No, is it 100 pips or 410 pips? I don't know how to calculate these pips on gold, but yeah, it is what it is. Looks like it will go against us. Once it goes against us, we are using risk management. All right, we are risking $2 on this. All right, so we are down $50. Okay. All right, so and it hit our stop loss. So 2 loss today. All right, so total take profit for today is $5. And yeah, that was a good lesson though. That was scalping for you. Price might respect this on. Alright, I don't know. Gold is still selling, so I don't know. And then I have to just catch up with this gold. Once I see a setup, we are just going to do a live stream. If I don't see any setup, we are good for today. Let me go and see BTC. I'm short scalping for today, and we are good for today. Do you remember this trade? Alright, so I think I didn't journal. Yeah, I took this trade and that was live trading with live trading. I remember. So this was the zone I was looking at for gold, for BTC to tap in. I think on the 5-minute time frame. Yeah, I was looking for BTC to tap into this extreme zone. Stop loss will just be below this, then we ride to the top. So because we are trading with a trend, but BTC didn't created a new break of structure. There is this zone here, so BTC might respect this zone instead of this. Let's see. But already it looks like BTC has left this place, so let's see. I don't know, but let's see. This looks very, very juicy because this was a break of structure. Another break of structure. Liquidity, but they didn't get into my zone. I wasn't with this, but I would have taken this. But there is still opportunity to ride this market with BTC. If BTC doesn't come and it goes, that is it. So I'm going to catch you guys and update you guys once I see a setup. Peace out. Alright guys, so on trading view you can see price didn't tap into my zone, but it's almost at my take profit. This thing is very, very headful, but on my trading view price tapped on it. My full focus was on the trading view, but on Xness price has just fully tapped on it, and I was just checking if re-entry on my re-entry zone 2 price also mitigated the zone, and it has smashed my full take profit. Wow, this was the momentum. Oh no. So this is a missed trade. Alright, so cool. Well, alright guys, so I'm on this gold trade, and price tapped me in sniper entry. Just look at that sniper entry, and price just went down. Give me I wasn't with my phone. Price gave me 1:3.63 RR, and when I came back, price has already retraced. Price has already retraced to this level. Price has retraced to this level and started printing this bearish candle. So I moved my stop loss to this high right here, and price came and took me out. So I'm not in this market anymore. So yeah, that's it for today's trade. I'm done for today's trade. And so on this BTC trade also, I just journaled it, but I've cleared the trade. So price just swept. I didn't enter this trade. I didn't even set limit on this. I just set and see how it goes. Once price just missed this trade, this was a trade I was very interested in, but price, I didn't know. TradingView deceived me. So yeah. So let's go back to BTC. So I just reanalyzed everything, and I noticed we are in a very, very severe downtrend. And yeah, I'm not taking any trade for today. I'm done for today. And yeah, I'm very, very done for today. So that's it for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Peace out.